Okay, don't mock Baba is our debate tonight. I think every reason should be there to mock Baba as much as possible because he's genuinely funny. If there's someone who's funny, that's this man, Gurmeet Ram Rahim. Everybody should be free to mock him. Ranveer Shori joins the debate tonight. Aryaman Sundaram, Ranveer Shori actor, Aryaman Sundaram senior advocate of the Supreme Court, Deepak Dobriyal, actor. Raju Srivastava, who will soon be out of a job. कुछ करने को नहीं होगा राजू श्रीवास्तव के पास because he's a comedian and actor. All he does is mimicry. You be careful राजू श्रीवास्तव, आपको अभी इधर गुरमीत बाबा राम रहीम आपको अरेस्ट करके ले जाएंगे और किसी की मिमिक्री करेंगे आपको आज रात को 4-5-100 बार अरेस्ट कर देंगे आज शो के बीच में. आदित्य इंसान है, बहुत गुस्सा है. बाबा राम रहीम के बारे में कोई कुछ कहे अरेस्ट करवा देंगे आज. आप केयरफुल रहिए राजू श्रीवास्तव. One second. Dr. Indira Tiwari, calm down. Aditya Insan, calm down. Indira Tiwari, General Secretary of the Hindu Mahasabha and Pandit Gagan Shastri, religious guru. Okay, now, thank you very much. Welcome. Aditya Insan, don't show me that anger. Don't wave your finger at me. Right?
नहीं मैं एंगर नहीं दिखा
रहा. He's your guru, he's not my guru.
I have no right to express myself.
Yeah, you have a right, but he's your guru, he's not my guru.
I don't exist.
Are you,
and I have no right to. No.
He's your guru.
Did I say that?
He's your guru. I find him funny.
Arnab,
suppose I say on the program tonight,
having a debate if you don't let the other guy speak.
Acha, listen, Aditya Insan, will you calm down, please?
What is
if you want to start complaining at the beginning, it's not going to work. So I have a question for you. Aditya Insan, relax. No, faith and devotion is not so fickle that it needs to be protected from humor.
No.
Now, Aditya Insan, you've not come here to give a speech. Are you joining politics? You are not, right? So be quiet for a minute and listen to my question.
No.
Then listen to my question, okay?
Arnab,
my question is
but
simply
I do not appreciate, you have a very sick sense of humor. That's simply this.
Great. Okay, fine. Okay? I won't respond. My question to you is, I find your Baba very funny. I think he's really funny. I mean, have you seen that picture? When he sits on the motorcycle, comes down and starts saying, I'm a love charger, I'm a love charger, I'm a love charger and all that. I find it really incredibly funny. I mean, I think he's made a caricature of himself. I think it's genuinely a joke. Now, his followers may not think so, but I think so. And a lot of people may say so. So if I say I find, what's his name? Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh, very funny. What will you do? I find him funny. I think he's an excellent character to caricature. I think any comedian, for any comedian, he's a delight. He's a delight, right? Look at him. I mean, look at him with his t-shirts, with his chains, with his big bikes, and then going and doing this rock star type, B-grade rock star type performances, right? I'm a love charger, I'm a love charger. I don't know who wrote his lyrics. I mean, I don't know where you get these kind of lyrics from. कौन लिखता है उनके lyrics? अगर वो खुद लिखता है तो और भी funny है. तो मजाक कोई बनाए तो ठीक है. Take it in the right spirit. ऐसे है तो आप बात मेरी समझ रहे हैं.
सारा हिंदुस्तान अब मुझे आपकी तो सुन ही रहा हूँ और समझ ही रहा हूँ. अब मेरी बात आप सुनिए. अर्नब ऐसा है कि सारा हिंदुस्तान अर्नब गोस्वामी का मजाक उड़ाता है. He is the biggest laughing stock because he doesn't let the other guys speak, and you love to hear your own voice all the time. That's your problem number one. Problem number two is, problem number two is that you see things from your very narrowed and skewed vantage point and perspective. You have not tried to understand that Guruji has brought social change to over 55 million people. And it is not just the illiterate masses or the groveling proletariat who don't know what they are.
There are other cases also. You don't want me to tell you about the other cases against him, right? You want me to tell you about the other cases against him, or what's been happening at the Dera premises?
See, you can
he's accused
say
of a lot of things,
you don't know what has been happening at the Dera premises.
But he's been accused of a lot of things, right?
He's accused of a lot of things.
Is he accused?
Yes, he has been. Exactly.
Is he accused? Is it true that he has been accused of carrying out forced castrations of hundreds of people inside the Dera, misleading them with a false hope that males who undergo castration will be able to meet God through him?
Now,
is there such an accusation or not?
Will you allow me to answer?
Is there an accusation or not? No, but is there an accusation? I'm asking you a question, answer it, yes or no. Is there such an accusation?
There is an accusation, yes.
Right.
Is
he accused?
Yes.
Is he accused of sexual assault?
You are accused of not listening to guests and insulting
Is he
them.
accused
You
of sexual
are a
assault?
witness
I'm
of
only
that.
asking
I don't
questions.
think you are
My
fit.
job is to ask
No,
questions.
you're
getting worked up.
You
don't get
fail the
worked
simple
up.
test
Don't get
of a
worked up.
decent human
गुस्सा मत
being.
होइए.
You're bereft
सवाल
of
पूछ रहा हूँ.
civility,
गुस्सा क्यों हो
common
रहे हैं?
sense. No, you're bereft
गुस्सा
of
क्यों?
civility, common sense, humanitarianism,
Common
and all
sense
good
क्या है? मैंने
traits.
पूछा,
You needed a
accusation है
good
ना?
upbringing, and somehow what your parents tried to teach
Accusation
you
तो
was
इतने
lost in
personal
you.
मत
Now,
कीजिए,
listen
please.
to me, Arnab.
पूछ रहा हूँ
If this
आपको
is a
accusation
debate,
है. Now
no,
anyway.
no.
Now
If
tell
this
me
is a
one thing. I
debate,
find him funny.
If this is a
I find
debate,
him funny.
you have to allow
I
the other
find him
person to
funny.
answer.
I find him funny.
That is your
Ranveer
problem.
Shori is with
That
us
is
on the
your
show.
problem.
Ranveer Shori,
That
I
is
find
your-
him funny.
that is your
You find him
problem,
funny?
and I'm going
now
to-
listen, you must be democratic. You've had all the time on the show till now. Ranveer
Arnab,
Shori
if the
also, do you
debate
find
is
him
going
funny?
to if the debate is going to go on like this, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I think I have to exercise my legal rights against you. You cannot do this. Why?
What
What has he
content?
done to hurt you?
Oh, so you're going to arrest me?
He's de-addicting people. He's planting trees.
You're going to arrest
he's
me now?
Donating blood. I'm not saying that. But you're
No,
saying
you're going to
that
arrest me
he's
now.
changed the lives of millions of people like me.
Right.
He has changed millions of lives like me, and you're
No, so
saying
but people
that
find it
Aditya,
funny.
you're subhuman. Everybody who believes in him is subhuman. You don't have any
I didn't
rights.
say that.
You don't have any senses,
You're
organs,
human.
dimensions, affections. You're not human. You're
using
using
Shylock slides. Wonderful.
Into the ocean. You have no right to exist. No.
What are you saying?
Whatever it
All
be.
right, okay.
Whatever
All right,
it
fine.
be.
राजू श्रीवास्तव आपको जवाब शायद देंगे. राजू श्रीवास्तव मुझे बड़े फनी लगते हैं.
My opinion.
राजू श्रीवास्तव मुझे बड़े फनी लगते
Arnab
हैं.
Goswami,
आपको फनी
this
लगता है?
is
आपको
not
क्या लगता है?
funny.
आप
This is going to get
सुनिए
very
मेरी
ugly.
बात.
No.
what I-
This is inhuman.
all right.
This is inhuman. You are making a caricature of yourself, Arnab. You have no sense of shame. You have no sense
All
of
right.
propriety. You have no upbringing. Where were you
Right.
brought up?
Right.
Where were you brought
finished. Finished. Certainly not
You
in
are
your
a shame
data.
on the worm that bore
Certainly
bore
not
you.
on your data. Relax
You don't
now.
make conversation like this.
Raju
You
Srivastava,
don't
now
get
be
people-
quiet, okay?
You don't
Till
get
a point
people
I'll
in your
indulge you,
program.
otherwise I'll
You
just get you to
cannot-
keep quiet or
No,
get out of the
no.
show.
Guruji is more
Yeah, okay,
pious
now
and
Raju Srivastava
sacrosanct
is
to me
speaking. Now I'm going to
than
slow
God.
reduce your volume because you're not
You
letting
get
other
off the
people speak.
show.
You behave yourself. You'll behave yourself on my show. You behave yourself on my show.
You
okay?
behave yourself.
Learn to behave
Keep
yourself.
your trap shut.
Behave yourself and reduce your volume
big
right
mouth,
now.
you
Raju
keep your trap
Srivastava,
shut.
what do
Get
we do
lost.
with people like this? What do we do
You
with
reduce
people
the
like
bloody
this?
volume.
What do we do with... Now relax. Oh, there he goes. Walks off. Look there. He's walked out of the program. He's walked out of the program. He's taken offense. Thank God he didn't arrest all of us. माइक फेंक दिया उन्होंने कैमरा की तरफ राजू श्रीवास्तव और चले गए प्रोग्राम से. अच्छा हुआ अरेस्ट नहीं कर दिया, शायद अरेस्ट भी कर देते और ज्यादा 2-3 सवाल पूछते तो. यस, ही इज इवन कट ऑफ द लाइन. राजू श्रीवास्तव, व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन? देश में क्या हो रहा है?
देखिए अर्नब जी, मैं बाबा रामदेव जी की मिमिक्री करता हूं और उनके सामने ही करता हूं. मोदी जी की मिमिक्री करता हूं, लालू जी की मिमिक्री करता हूं, तो मुझे तो कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ. और मुझे लगता है इस मैटर ऑफ कॉमेडी लाफ्टर, तो इसमें कोई इंटेंशन किसी को हर्ट करने का नहीं था. तो जब वो हर्ट करने का इंटेंशन नहीं है और हंसाने के लिए है, तो फिर मुझे लगता है कि इसको इतना बड़ा तूल नहीं देना चाहिए था.
मुझे समझ
और
में
ये
नहीं
कोई क्राइम नहीं किया है. और बाबा जी तो हमेशा प्यार बांटते हैं, उनका नारा भी है मैं प्यार बांटता हूं. तो मुझे लगता है कि यहाँ पर भी उनको बड़ा दिल दिखाना चाहिए.
तो फिर प्रॉब्लम क्या है इंदिरा तिवारी? इंदिरा तिवारी उनको बड़ा प्रॉब्लम है.
आशीर्वाद देना चाहिए कि भाई और हंसाओ. लाफ्टर इज द बेस्ट मेडिसिन.
शी इज वेरी अपसेट. व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम?
Do I look like upset or no? Happy Lori to you, to Times Group.
Thank you. Happy Lori
and
to
to all
Yeah. So
Punjabi, Dogra and Haryana.
I think it's fine to
now
mock
see
Baba, right?
the issue is there are three
tell us
issues
the
which you are addressing, and I think actually you are also entertaining viewers by just mimicking the issue. There is no.
I'm on a very serious point. Is faith and
I
devotion
also- I'm also-
devotion so fickle that it needs to be protected from humor?
See,
No,
there,
you tell me.
No, let
Yeah.
me complete. There are 3 points which you have raised, and I had been listening you very carefully. See, that whether he is accused or convicted, there is a difference, I believe.
He's
And
accused. I said accused.
Yes.
Anyway,
So accused is not a convict. So he cannot be treated the way you are trying to treat
No,
him.
I'm saying why is a person who is carrying out a comedy show on him? Why is the person being arrested? What's wrong?
See,
What's wrong?
The wrong is the constitutional prerogative which is being infringed, right? Where see, every faith have got their right to practice
This is
and to
nothing about
propagate.
faith. How does he represent anyone's faith? This is nothing about faith.
No,
What has
it
this
is-
got to
it
do
is-
with
it
faith?
is.
Where does faith come in?
Of
He
course,
says,
of
I'm a
course.
love charger Baba. He
Doesn't
says-
matter. Doesn't matter.
he says, how is he a representative
one
of my faith?
One of his follower has filed the case on the basis the comedian that
Doesn't matter.
Kiku Sharda has been arrested. So it is the sentiment of the followers which has been heard, and constitutionally they are protected.
No, I'm sorry, Indira Tiwari. On that basis, the sentiments of millions of people today, Aryaman Sundaram, has been hurt because of the fact that this Kiku Sharda has been arrested. I mean, the millions of people today across the country are saying tonight, do we live in a democracy?
No,
in
no.
the state of Haryana, there are
millions
1,174
are also following that Baba who feel that they are hurt. So who is going to decide
What
that?
percentage of people in this country follow Baba?
Definitely, if
0.1%?
I don't-
What about the other 99.9%? Who took a vote among the
listen,
others?
We
No,
are
who took a
not
vote
yet.
among the others?
Once the judiciary has sent him to judicial
nothing to do with
custody,
judiciary.
then it is the question before the judiciary: is the judiciary inept, or judiciary has to be mimicked?
That's not the
Or
point.
no,
No,
that
that's
is the
not- that's
point.
not- that's
That
not
is
the-
the point.
that's
That
not
is the no. That is the prime
No,
point.
no, the point
I know. Please,
the point tonight is
please
no,
tell the
Aryaman Sundaram
viewers
is the other
it is
point
the
of view.
judiciary which has
Aryaman
sent him
Sundaram is the other point
to
of
the
view.
custody.
Aryaman Sundaram is the other point of view, and the point of view is that what does it say about a country where those people are there in this country who are giving calls to behead others, they are roaming free, and a comedian is arrested. In Haryana, there are 1,172 cases of rape, 1,106 cases of murder. You don't take any action in all those cases, but you find a comedian to be a threat. That's
Why-
simply because this man gave political support to certain political parties during the election, and now they are returning the favor, but they are doing so at the cost to the people. Aryaman Sundaram on the other side tonight. Aryaman Sundaram.
So I know.
Aryaman Sundaram.
But
Aryaman Sundaram.
don't you feel that this is the channel's duties also, and the media
No, I-
personalities'
no,
duties
no.
to rake up the issues of the rape and other crimes, that they should take action, the state should take action against them?
Yes, but what does it say about our country that people are torching police stations, they're roaming the streets freely, while a comedian is arrested for satire? You've hurt my sentiments and you've no right to do it. Now you must listen to Aryaman Sundaram.
It's
Aryaman
not.
Sundaram,
I'm
please.
not saying this.
Aryaman Sundaram, please.
It is a
and
follower
Indira Tiwari on
sentiment
the
which
other.
has been heard,
Aryaman
and the
Sundaram.
follower has taken
Aryaman
action,
Sundaram.
and on that legal action he has
Aryaman
been sent to judicial
Sundaram.
custody. It is the
Aryaman
judiciary which is involved now.
Arey, by 17% of
Madam, can I-
MLAs in Haryana have criminal charges against them. A comedian is in jail. I mean, I don't know whether we are a tragedy or a comedy of a nation tonight. Yes, please, Aryaman Sundaram, go ahead.
Look, Arnab, look, there are two clearly distinct aspects to this. On the one hand, this whole incident started out because it was a complaint given. It was not as though the state acted on its own. A complaint was given. That's the first part of it. A,
That's
why
the
was such a
issue I
complaint
have
given?
raised.
B, why did the state thereafter act on it? Then you have the other legal aspect about it, about why he was sent into judicial custody, etc. But the point is very simply this. I ask myself, I just heard this comment, constitutional right, etc. He is not a religion in himself constitutionally. He is a person who says that he is a leader of people, a spiritual leader of people. So anyone who mimics him might mimic him as an individual. They are not mimicking a religion or inciting religious fervor or doing any such thing.
Exactly.
Secondly, this man has also made himself a public figure in the entertainment field. He has acted in films, he sings songs, he's a rock singer, everything else. Now in that avatar of his, certainly he is open as a public figure in the entertainment space for somebody to mimic him or do something else. Since when has that ever become a crime involving inciting religious passions? I'm unable to understand it. As a lawyer, let me tell you, I'm completely unable to understand
Neither
this.
can I.
Now,
Neither
he
can I.
is, on the one hand, is a
That way,
spiritual
one
leader
way
of
you were
certain
challenging
people.
the judge
His is not
who
a
has-
religion
who
in
the
itself.
magistrate who
For
has
there to
sent
be
him
an
to the-
incitement
to judicial
religious
custody?
fervor. On the other hand, he's an entertainer, he's a movie star, he's a movie producer, he's a rock singer. In that avatar, if he is to be mimicked, how could there be any possible objection? And
Have you seen
what
the man?
worries me is not the fact that his followers felt so moved that they had to give a complaint, but that the police actually acted on such a complaint. I cannot even begin to believe that such a thing happened.
No, but it has happened. I don't
That
know what
means-
it
that
says.
means you don't believe in
don't-
your own-
I don't know
in
what it
your
says.
legal
Arey,
system.
Indira Tiwari, what does it say about us that in 21st century India, you are Ranveer today jailed for a joke. We are jailed for a joke. I don't know what will happen next.
This is
Beheadings,
the-
perhaps.
This is the
I'm sorry. I want Ranveer to come
prerogative
in.
which has been
I want Ranveer
implied.
and Deepak Obrial to come in. Don't shout.
This is the
If you are telling me
judicial
about the
prerogative which has been
Constitution,
implied,
then
I
Section
know.
209,
So that is
Section
none
Indira
of
Tiwari.
us-
Indira
that
Tiwari, you don't
none
know.
of us role is there now.
Indira Tiwari, you don't know the law, so let me educate you. Section 295A is meant to prevent religious disturbances and communal provocation. It is not a wide net under which anyone and everyone can be arrested for supposedly hurting someone else's religious feelings. It is not a tool to harass writers, comedians, performers and
It's not
citizens.
even religious
और आप एक
feelings,
बात
Arnab.
समझ लीजिए पंडित गगन शास्त्री जी कि आजकल ये कोई भी
So why don't you why don't you educate the same law to the
कोई-
magistrate who have sent him to judicial custody?
अरे सुन, don't get excited. No,
I'm
why are you
not
getting
excited.
Why are you getting excited, please?
No,
This man is
you
funny.
are asking me,
आप
but
किसी
you
को भी
don't
पूछिए.
dare to ask.
I am surprised.
magistrate
It's not about
who sent
funny.
him to
It's
the
about
judicial
every
custody.
individual has a right to speech and a right to express their feeling. But
Right.
with the reasonable restriction is also there.
Yes.
And in this case, if any person who is crossing their limit, this is disturb the community,
How is it
community,
disturbed? How-
and
which
all
which
the followers
community?
who
Ask the followers.
Which followers?
who are the
Ask the
followers?
followers.
Baba Ram Rahim got hurt and they filed the complaint.
So
and the
today,
police took action.
today you have one second. Pandit Gagan Shastri, suppose today you come out,
Right.
and you have 500 followers of your own, right? And I say that Pandit Gagan Shastri, you're a very funny man. I find it funny, and I think there will be a comedy show on you, and the comedy show will talk about how you dress, how you walk, how you wear. And then your 500 followers will come out and say, but you know what? You have heard the sentiments of Pandit Gagan Shastri, you have heard the Hindu religion, etc., etc. We, the Hindus of India, so that 500 people are representative of Hindus of India, demand that the person who has done a comedy show on Pandit Gagan Shastri should be arrested. That person will also be arrested? No, what do you know? Pandit Gagan Shastri, how many followers do you need? 10, 15, 500, 1000? आप बताइए please.
It's not
नहीं,
about
ये
followers.
permanent-
It's about the nation. It's about the
It's the
constitution.
tradition.
Every
This man
individual.
is my tradition. I'm sorry. If you look at that man on the TV tonight, viewers, look at that man on television. I am being told that this man is India's tradition. Have
I'm
you
not
looked at
talking
him?
about this. I'm talking
अरे भाई,
about if
ये आदमी
somebody
हमारा
who got
tradition.
hurt, he has a right to go follow the code.
This
The person who filed the complaint as per law, the person who has a right.
What
my
tradition?
fundamental
What tradition
rights are
does he?
hurt.
What tradition does he represent? Please.
I'm not talking
No,
about
I am
which
talking
tradition
about-
is
what-
talking.
what
It's about
tradition?
what are the teachings he's giving to us. That's
What- no,
matter.
what is
the
have
way
you- no, no, what is
dress
it? Have you
doesn't
seen
matter.
it? Look at
the
that.
present
No,
day
watch it.
teachings
Watch.
matters.
Look at the TV right there. You seeing the motorcycle sequence? Motorcycle
Legal
sequence.
course
One
of
second.
action
You
has
see the
been
motorcycle
implied.
sequence?
Why
you
you
cannot
are
find
judge
so
a
much
person
worth
by
about
this
now,
act
tell me.
if
Do you
got
find
a-
him funny? Do you find him funny? Ek minute,
It's
Sunil.
not about funny.
You look at the
just
TV
see.
right now. You look at the TV right now. You're seeing those
Right.
pictures
Acha,
on the
acha, I
right.
know.
On your right. One second.
You have-
One second. There's a TV below you. Look at those pictures. You find him funny? Look at his dress. Look at the way he talks. Look
It's
at that. Look
not
at that
about
move.
funny. The
Look at that
person
move.
who is delivering
Look at
the
that move.
speech, the person who is catering the society, like
How is he
these
catering society?
de-addiction problem.
Look at the
programs,
dance move.
And there
I
are so
find
many
him very
programs.
funny. Look at him there.
Many people
look
must
at
be
look
finding
at,
the
I'm
other
not talking
people
about
also
that
funny.
their looks. It's about what exactly he's giving to the society.
Not
That's about the
society.
teachings.
What society? What teachings? Love charger. Love charger.
Love child is giving love
You
to
have
someone.
picked
Mother
up
gave
only
love.
one.
Mother gave love to
One.
son. You
So
cannot
Indian tradition,
love
if
defined in any specific manner.
Indian and Hindu tradition is now about being a love charger.
It's not about what main essence of love you are talking
What do you
about.
mean
Every
by love
mother has a
charger?
love to the children.
What do you
I'm
mean by
asking-
love charger?
I don't know what it means. I don't know what
No,
it
you
means.
please.
I
You
don't
had
know.
been-
It's his
you
word.
had been only,
It's his
hyping
word.
this word particularly. You
He
tell me
calls
what do
himself
you
a love
mean?
charger.
What you have
I
understood
don't know.
with the
I've
love
just
charger.
heard this song where he goes around and grunts, keeps saying, I'm a love charger. That's all.
So-
now, I don't know what he means by it, but I find
what-
it really
what
funny.
Guru
What
gives to
meaning
the
have you derived from that?
followers.
Tell me.
Love, that is the
What
love.
meaning
Every
have you derived
individual
from
who's
that
giving
love
that
charger?
is love.
I am asking
Why?
you.
It's
I
about
believe,
your
see, it's your
perspective.
eye.
You are taking it in a
I know it's
right way
your
or a wrong
vision.
way. That
How
is
do
your
you
way.
perceive
Okay,
anything?
So what?
Love charger, in
So-
my opinion, I believe just distribute the love among everybody.
Right.
And how do you perceive? It's your viewpoint of
Arey
view.
bhai, Baba Ram Rahim is not God. He is a man
Nobody
who
is God.
is accused of carrying out forced castrations of 400 sadhus inside his dera. He is allegedly accused of raping women followers of the Dera sect at the Sirsa premises.
These are all
He's allegedly
accusations.
accused.
These
Allegedly
are all
accused.
accusations.
He's allegedly.
These are
yes.
all accusations.
Why are you getting worked
not
up?
conviction.
He's-
And now,
Of course not conviction. I'm factually always correct.
That's
He's
what I'm
allegedly
saying.
accused
That's
of
what
murder
I'm
in 2
also saying.
cases. I mean, these are accusations against
These
him.
are only accusations.
He claims to be a saint. He's in the public domain. He calls himself
I
a
don't
messenger
think
of
that
God.
he says his
so
followers.
I think anyone in this.
And now, actually, you
I think
need
anyone-
to
I think
educate
anyone-
his followers.
Indira
you
Tiwari, will
need
you
to
stop shouting
educate
at
his
me?
followers. If you have
Will
the
you stop shouting
problem
at me tonight?
with his funny thing,
Now-
with his other behaviors, I think you need, and I'll request Dera Ram Rahim and his followers that please call Arnav Goswami as a visiting faculty to educate him that how he should dress up, how he should behave. I think Arnav Goswami is now going to take class.
Okay, now have you finished, please? Now, okay. Now,
I
tell
think
me
we're
one
losing
thing.
the
Listening
point
very
here,
seriously
Arnab.
to all this
What
is
we're
Ranveer
talking
Shodi. I've been
about
trying to
is
get
not
him in.
how this man
let
dresses.
Deepak
What we're
Dobriyal
talking
and
about is
Ranveer
it
Shodi
not
come in.
open to somebody to comment on it?
Deepak Dobriyal and Ranveer Shodi on the love charge at Baba and why we should not mock. Ranveer, let's start with you, Ranveer. Okay. One second. Listen to the other side, please.
I know,
This
please.
man says he's a messenger
You don't
of God.
let me speak. This
You
is
are the
wrong.
only person who's been speaking, and there are two
Come
people who
on,
haven't
Arnav,
opened their
come
mouth
on.
on the
This
program
is
so
too
far.
much. This
Okay,
is too much,
Deepak
Arnav.
Dobriyal, I want to hear
He
from
must be
you.
funny for you.
Deepak
he must be
Dobriyal.
funny for Kapil Sharma. He must be funny for Kiku Sharda. But he cannot be funny for his followers.
Okay, now
that you should respect.
Deepak Dobriyal.
That you should respect.
And you should respect the fact
And
that I've asked Deepak Dobriyal
and
to
actually,
speak.
truly speaking,
Let him speak.
the channel,
Let
the
him
producers,
speak.
the financiers, the directors should have been punished.
Let Deepak
that
Dobriyal
is also
speak.
a
Let Deepak Dobriyal speak. Thank
a
God you have
phase
been
of the
arrested
coin.
all over. One second, Deepak Dobriyal, please. I mean, please, Indira Tiwari, thoda patience.
अर्नव
Deepak Dobriyal,
got
go
lot
on.
of patience.
Go
I
on.
know.
Go on.
हाँ मतलब ये है कि आजकल किसी भी फील्ड के जो बॉस हैं उनसे मिलना इतना मुश्किल नहीं है जितना उनके चेले मुश्किल बना देते हैं। चाहे मतलब जैसे अभी ये जो बाबा की ही बात है, वो एक्टर भी हैं, वो राइटर भी हैं, वो स्टंट भी करते हैं, एक्टिंग भी करते हैं, तो वो उन्होंने भी एक तरह से हमारी नकल की है। मतलब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में वो आए हैं और उन्होंने भी किसी तरह से कुछ ना कुछ जो है वो मिमिक किया है, कुछ ना कुछ एक्ट किया है, जो भी उन्होंने हिंसा तक दिखाई है फिल्म में, है ना। तो अगर हम उन्हें ये छूट दे सकते हैं, मतलब हम कोई नहीं ये छूट देने वाले, लेकिन हम मतलब अप्रिशिएट करते हैं कि भाई हर तरह का एक्सप्रेशन आना चाहिए मार्केट में जो भी है। और कुछ एक्सप्रेशन ऐसे भी होते हैं, लेकिन इनके जो भक्त होते हैं, ये जो चेले हैं, वो रोक देते हैं। मतलब अब वही फिल्म देख के अगर मैं मुझे जो है फिलॉसफी वाली फिल्म है, लेकिन अगर मुझे हंसी आ रही है, तो यहाँ पे ये हो गया कि मेरे एक्सप्रेशन भी वो लोग डिसाइड करने लग गए हैं कि यहाँ पे नहीं, तुम्हें ये श्रद्धा भाव यहाँ पे होना चाहिए क्योंकि बाबा ने श्रद्धा भाव से किया। नहीं, बाबा तो खुद हंसी के साथ कर रहे हैं, बाबा तो खुद मज़े के साथ कर रहे हैं, तो मैं क्यों ना मज़े लूँ। तो कई बार क्या होता है कि जो चेले लोग हैं वो डिसाइड करने लग जाते हैं कि आपका एक्सप्रेशन क्या होना चाहिए, आपका विचार क्या होना चाहिए यहाँ पे।
Can you mimic about Christianity? Can you mimic about Sikhism? Can you mimic about Jainism? Can you mimic about Judaism? Please tell me. The panelists, learned panelists,
just tell me
please
one thing.
Just will you be quiet for a minute? One second.
I think,
One second.
Arnab, we are getting wires
Gurmeet Baba
crossed
Ram
here.
Rahim a representative of the
Nobody
Hindu
was
faith?
mimicking Hinduism.
I am not talking
Nobody
about
was
he's
mimicking
representing. I am
Hinduism.
talking
Yes,
about
don't
what
Raju
does
Srivastava,
someone
we are a
feel
country,
about
we,
connection?
अरे भाई
I know
सुनिए
we
मेरी
should
बात,
not
हमारे
deviate
देश
from the
में
issue
we are a
that
country of
we should not deviate from the issue.
Miss
that
Indira
is-
Tiwari, let me tell you what the issue is. We are a country of 827 million plus Hindus, 138 million plus Muslims, 24 million plus Christians, etc., etc. At some stage, you are going to start offending everybody if we set a precedent where the hypersensitivities of
It's
the
already
followers,
said. It's already said right now. It's already said you cannot mimic any other religion.
don't be hyper. I said
not
don't be
hyper.
hyper.
No,
the
I'm not
hyper, the
hyper.
hypersensitivities
I'm not at all
of the
hyper.
followers
I'm
of
just not at all hyper.
Look at this
making
viewers.
entertainment
No, I'm not
against
at all
all the Hindu religion.
I think-
Pandit ji, please let me
once
just
I know you,
complete.
Indira Tiwari, you don't sit down on the program and try to shout me down. The fact of the matter is,
I'm
in
not shouting
in the
down.
lead up to the Punjab
You're doing a
elections,
very good job
the
to promote your show.
the BJP made efforts to get the Dera Sacha Sauda's support, and we all know that the
All political parties.
we all
Everything.
All
You are-
political
it's about judicial system. If it's about judicial system, it's a
All
legal action.
political
If somebody
parties are
Why
finds
shouting?
criminal for
what is about
Why
the
is shouting?
of promotion.
No, but why is shouting? If Gurmeet Ram Rahim can use the platform of media, and Deepak Dobriyal बिल्कुल सच कह रहे हैं कि अगर वो मीडिया के प्लेटफॉर्म को, एंटरटेनमेंट के प्लेटफॉर्म को अपने मूवीज और अपने सेल्फ प्रमोशन के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं, तो वो कुकुर शारदा को जो उन पे जोक कर रहे हैं उनको वो भी एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए कर रहे हैं। राजू श्रीवास्तव, फर्क तो कुछ नहीं है, वो भी एंटरटेनमेंट कर रहे हैं, ये भी एंटरटेनमेंट कर रहे हैं। अपने आप को मैसेंजर ऑफ गॉड कहते हैं, वो भी तो बड़े ही एंटरटेनर और क्या है? One second, please. राजू श्रीवास्तव जरा दूसरों को बोलने रणवीर शोरी को सुन, लिसन टू रणवीर शोरी। अरे काम डाउन, एक व्यक्ति बैठे हुए हैं हमारे मुंबई स्टूडियोज में, तब से बड़ी बहरी गहरी सोच में आपकी बात सुन रहे हैं, सुनिए उनकी बात भी सुनिए, थोड़ी टॉलरेंस दिखाइए। आप लोग सब आजकल बहुत इंटॉलरेंट हो गए।
ये intolerance
रणवीर शोरी,
hype created by you and the channel.
आज तो
there is no intolerance.
I don't know. Anyway,
There is no intolerance.
Ranveer Shori, please. सुनिए उनकी बात.
Well, I
Ranveer
don't know
Shori.
what to say, Arnav. I think anything that was
Say it anyway. Go on.
that was to be said today, I think you've already said it. And जो बचा कुचा था, I think Deepak, what he has said is also absolutely right in many ways. But I think it's true that this is just a token of gratitude which some political game in Haryana state politics has been played and has, I think, backfired. I'm just glad that Kiku has got bail now and he's on his way back. But it's true that I was quite livid when I heard about it in the morning that they have
No, but
arrested
why? No. Tell me
Now
why
the
does
show
why
should
does
be
it? No,
closed
watch.
if he
Just
has
एक
got
सवाल है. One second. See, listen, Ranveer. Why doesn't the whole, entertainment industry, cinema industry, television industry come together and take on these people? Why is Kuku Sharda apologizing is my problem. Why is he apologizing? Why do people get scared so quickly?
Why?
अरे भाई, इंदिरा तिवारी,
and why
they should take these people out.
because this country runs on vote bank politics. Yeah,
Why
now
they
you
can't
also
dare
know
अरे
that.
listen to Ranveer Shori. Don't shout. Ranveer.
I'm listening to them.
Ranveer.
But you cannot
Madam, you're
take
listening very loudly.
everybody's feelings
Mr.
for
Arnav,
granted.
One second.
You
Ranveer
cannot.
and Indira Tiwari, please. Ranveer.
Yes.
Ranveer.
Yes, I'm addressing. Ranveer,
पाँच
tell
मिनट
me,
रुक जाओ।
can you mimic against
पाँच मिनट
Islam?
रुक जाओ।
Please tell me.
Well, if
can
they
you?
do, I think we should.
Can you
I
mimic
think
against
no
Islam?
religion
Ranveer,
should be exempt from.
Truly tell me.
Acha, he's
Honestly.
be quiet. Yeah.
No, I know.
Yeah,
are you asking
it's
about a particular
mimicking
religion?
against
Islam?
अरे
Hindu-
Indira Tiwari,
I'm
Indira,
sure-
Indira, be
Into
quiet.
following.
Indira
I'm
Tiwari,
sure there
Indira
are
Tiwari,
jokes that
quiet.
have been made
Indira,
of
don't
Islam.
repeat
You are
yourself.
very flexible.
Don't repeat
We
yourself.
allow you to mimic about us.
Don't repeat yourself.
But can you dare to
Hey.
do against Islam?
Why shouting?
Against Christianity?
Why are you
Please,
shouting?
Ranveer,
Why are you
explain
shouting?
it to the
Madam,
viewers.
You're a
Madam, I
follower of
think-
Baba.
No, I'm not follower.
Okay, listen.
I'm here to, regard you, to regard others
Acha, Indira
also.
Tiwari, don't shout so much. Give the others a chance to speak, please. Yes.
It's already-
Yes, Ranveer Shori.
No, I
Ranveer.
think whatever she wants is a very noble thing. She wants everybody to get along. I'm sure all of us want everybody to get along. But in that, the only thing is that I feel sometimes individuals really lose out because of just political parties trying to pay each other back in kind and what we call vote bank politics. So I think this was a classic
Whenever
case
it
of
is
that.
One minute, just one.
You were
it is
saying-
against
you were saying,
Islam,
would
it
you-
is a political thing involved.
एक बात
Madam,
बताइए
And if it
राजू
is-
श्रीवास्तव
if
जी
it is against
Madam,
Islam,
Raju
stop
Srivastava
erupting
ji.
like fireworks every
cannot
time.
raise
राजू
it
राजू
against
श्रीवास्तव
Islam.
जी राजू
No, this is
श्रीवास्तव
no
जी
way. This
वन
is
मिनट
no way.
राजू श्रीवास्तव जी मुझे थोड़ा सा एक मुझे डर है मुझे आप बोले ही जा रहे हैं आप बोले ही जा रहे हैं आप सुन ही नहीं रहे किसी की बात अब राजू श्रीवास्तव जी को बोलने दे यूजुअली ये ज्यादा बोलते हैं आप
Raju
आज कुछ
Srivastava
बोल भी
or
नहीं पाए
Ranveer cannot go against their coteries
Okay.
because he will be losing his job.
Which
He
is my
not
coterie?
going to
Which is
support.
my coterie,
Arre-
madam?
That is his compulsion.
Which is my coterie?
Raju Srivastava
watch
cannot dare.
Ranveer is responding Ranveer yes
And more so.
Which is my
Raju
coterie?
Srivastava
अरे इंदिरा
is like
तिवारी
he
stop
has
please
approached Ram
अरे stop
Rahim.
now I'll give you a count 5 4 3 2 1 stop yes please
No,
I'm not
yes,
going
yes,
to
please.
stop.
She's saying-
If I'll-
one
if-
second
If I'll feel you're wrong, I'll intervene.
Indira Tiwari this is very unfair please let the others speak yeah
What coterie is she talking about? What coterie am I catering to right now? I don't understand. What is she?
Coterie of your film industry, coterie of your media industry, coterie of your drama industry, which will side you completely.
Side me how?
will be out of job.
Why will it side me? Why will it side me?
Yes,
Mr.
if you will not stand by them, you will be out.
If
You'll
I
be
don't
out of
stand
the
by
game.
Kiku Sharda,
You'll
what
be
do
out
I
of the
stand to lose?
bread and butter.
if I don't stand with Kiku, I'll not get work from a fellow actor. Madam, you don't know what you're talking about. I think you should
I'm
just
talking very sensible.
calm down. Let other people talk now for a while.
Okay, now Raju Srivastava, first of all,
I have one question.
he's right.
I have one question.
Okay. Counter questions being asked. 1 minute.
I have one question. From if you see past 2 to 3 years, you will see from the PK movie, everyone is making fun and entertainment on the name of religion, and just to keep the highlight in come in front of the light. Why it is happening? Why?
I'll tell you
why not?
I'll tell
Why
you.
should it not happen?
Pandit Gagan Shastri ji.
Why should it not happen? Why shouldn't we be making fun of religions also? What's the problem?
I also have a complaint. I feel that when a man calls himself the messenger of God, or as a film called Messenger of God, and then goes and does this whole love charger performance, and when people like you come and link him with the Hindu religion, I feel people like you, आप जैसे लोग हिंदुइज्म समझते ही नहीं है. आप ऐसे लोगों को हिंदुइज्म की प्रतीक बना रहे हैं. भाई सोच तो लीजिए, आप अपने धर्म के साथ क्या अन्याय कर रहे हैं. अपने धर्म के साथ आप गेरुआ कपड़ा पहनते हैं. आप गेरुआ कपड़ा पहनते हैं.
Shankaracharya is the main leader of
अच्छा, मैं अब राजू श्रीवास्तव,
We are not saying he is the one. I am saying Shankaracharya, Swarupanand Saraswati and other four Shankaracharyas are also there.
पंडित गगन शास्त्री, आप गेरुआ कपड़ा पहनते हैं मगर अपने ही
front of others.
ओके पंडित जी, ये आप गेरुआ कपड़ा पहनते हैं, अपने ही धर्म के साथ इतनी अन्याय करते हैं, आप समझते नहीं.
We are not doing wrong.
राजू श्रीवास्तव से मैं पूछना चाहता हूं कि आप डरेंगे अभी मिमिक्री करने से? आप बहुत ही आज चुप हैं, लोग कंसर्न्ड हो जाएंगे. राजू श्रीवास्तव जी कहेंगे आज जो ये क्या किकू शारदा के साथ हुआ, इसके बाद ऐसा ना हो कि राजू श्रीवास्तव भी ठंडे पड़ जाए. Have you become scared? आप मिमिक्री करेंगे कि बंद कर देंगे?
ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. और अर्णव, मैं आपको बताऊं कि मैं सिरसा जाके और बाबा जी के सामने परफॉर्म किया. उनका बर्थडे था, जन्मदिन वगैरह था, वहाँ मैंने परफॉर्म किया और बहुत सारी मिमिक्री की. तो वो बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे थे, बहुत हंस रहे थे, और पूरा
तो दूसरों की मिमिक्री को वो एंजॉय करते हैं,
लाफ्टर सब मिल रहे थे. लेकिन आज ये सुन के मैं शॉक्ड हो गया, ये क्या हुआ और कैसे हुआ. क्योंकि बाबा रामदेव जी के सामने उनकी मिमिक की है और करता रहता हूँ, तो उनका भी बहुत हंसते हैं, एंजॉय करते हैं, बोले अच्छा है, अच्छा हंसाओ लोगों को हंसाओ. तो ये मुझे कभी प्रॉब्लम फेस नहीं आई. इनफैक्ट बाबा राम रहीम जी ने, उन्होंने खुद हमें अपने कार्यक्रम में इनवाइट किया. मैं सिरसा जाके मैंने वहाँ परफॉर्म किया.
Oh, so now this is a new revelation.
मैंने कभी कोई
नहीं, this is a new revelation. Deepak Dobriyal, that you performed, आपने मिमिक्री ये बाबा ये क्या राम रहीम के सामने की, आपने उनके सामने मिमिक्री की.
सामने किया है.
One minute.
आपके सामने मैंने बहुत लोगों की.
तो फिर आपको अरेस्ट नहीं किया उन्होंने? आपका अरेस्ट नहीं हुआ, आप निकल आए?
हाँ,
ये कैसे हो गया?
नहीं, मेरा
कैसे arrested him? His follower took action. His rights got.
अरे भाई आज एक्सपोज हो रहे हैं, होने दीजिए. आपको
It's not about exposing. It's about who took action. Is Baba Ram took action or some other person took action?
दीपक डोबरियाल, ये तो बड़ी अजीब बात है कि आज मैं ये सुन रहा हूँ कि बाबा राम रहीम ने राजू श्रीवास्तव को बुला के मिमिक्री करवाई सब लोगों की, और सब लोग को काफी मजा आ रहा था, उनके फॉलोअर्स को भी. एक बार उनकी मिमिक्री हो गई तो किकू शारदा अरेस्ट हो गए. ये क्या हो रहा है? अच्छा, दीपक डोबरियाल, हाउ डू यू एक्सप्लेन दिस?
He did something wrong, that's why he got arrested.
आप रिलैक्स हो जाइए
जी. इसमें ये है कि अगर राजू भाई उनके सामने उनकी मिमिक्री करते तो शायद उन्हें बुरा नहीं लगता. हेलो, उनके सामने उनकी मिमिक्री करते तो उनको बुरा नहीं लगता. लेकिन जो बीच में चेले लोग हैं उनको ज़्यादा आपत्ति होती है, चाहे वो किसी भी फील्ड के हों, चाहे वो पॉलिटिक्स के हों, चाहे बिजनेस के हों, चाहे वो एक्टर लॉबी के हों. तो जो बॉस है उनके सामने परफॉर्म करना या
आई फील वेरी
उतना मुश्किल नहीं है जितना उनके चेले जो है वो मुश्किल बना देते हैं.
No, one sec. You see, here is what's happening. Aryaman Sundaram, nobody is saying we are upset. They are saying the followers are upset. That's it.
जो
followers are upset. So one second.
And Baba Ram Rahim have not yet come with any statement.
No, I'll tell you, there is nothing to prove. There is nothing to prove that Raju Srivastav has any fewer followers than this Baba Ram Rahim. आप अगर लोगों को पूछे तो लोग बोलेंगे कि राजू श्रीवास्तव के उतने ज्यादा फैन है जितने बाबा राम रहीम के हैं। क्या इसका मतलब है कि कल को अगर राजू श्रीवास्तव की मिमिक्री करना चाहे तो फिर राजू श्रीवास्तव उनको अरेस्ट करवा देंगे? प्लीज नाउ इनफ 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 Aryaman Sundaram, last word to Aryaman Sundaram. I think he's stunned with what he's hearing tonight.
If I am a follower of a political
Aryaman Sundaram, Aryaman.
If I'm a follower of an actor and somebody, I have a question here. So if I'm a follower of some political leader, I'm a follower of some actor or I'm a follower of someone, and then that person is mimicked, I immediately say my feelings are hurt and please arrest that man. Where is the end to this? This is the biggest joke of all. If there's any humor in it, the humor is actually what has happened, which makes us all laugh at ourselves.
Why don't you go to
According to them, the law is doing whatever the law is doing is not doing it the right thing. According to you, whatever the judicial system, whatever the police system took action, that is not doing right. Because as per 295 section, if somebody hurt someone's religious feeling, that person has a right to go to the police station and the court.
But whose religious feelings were hurt? The question is, nobody.
Counter. Indira Tiwari, be quiet. Indira
An
Tiwari.
individual was mimicked.
Whose religious
That
feelings?
is all.
The person who's got the
How
person
is
who
it
complained
religious?
it.
Where
How is
was
the
the
feeling
question
religious?
of inciting
How is the feeling religious?
hatred
What?
or
नहीं, ये सब जो है वो
inciting
decide कौन करेगा?
or inciting religious feelings?
जी
The court will decide.
Was that an
The court will
individual
decide. The
who is
person that
also
got
an
hurt,
actor
he is
was
following
mimicked?
this constitution
How can you
right.
say
करेगा
he was
जी?
File a
inciting
complaint.
This is
What
great.
is
religious
wrong
hatred?
behind that?
I
If
fail to
you are
understand
saying
that.
whatever the judicial system took.
I think this is, I'll tell you one thing. The statistics are clear. Haryana has 17% MLAs with criminal charges against them. There are thousands of rape cases, thousands of murder cases. Get real. And by the way, I'm really telling you, if this man represents my religion, right, then you are in planet Mars right now.
I am not saying he is representing my religion. I am saying.
I thank you very much. We are all very concerned. Don't balk Maba, a big trend on Twitter tonight. I thank you for joining me on debate number 2.